Hello! It has once again been a while. I've been rather busy with a bunch of senior stuff. I've gotten quite a few sewing projects done, since it's the hobby that comes first, but I haven't had a lot of extra time to sit down, film, and edit videos. But never fear, I am here to fulfill my promise and talk about what Bernice was wearing in my last video. I've been planning to make a 60s mod dress style for a while now, and it seemed the perfect chance to use one of the first patterns I'd ever drafted. I used this book, which came from my mom's collection. It's Dorothy Moore's Pattern Drafting and Dressmaking book. I think the original edition is from 1968, but this version is from 1971. I don't have a lot of videos of the drafting process since I did it quite a while ago, but I can say that it was a really easy process since most of the book is just instructions of how long to make distances between points using measurements that you have taken. So instead of being an older type of pattern drafting method where you draft to one set of measurements and sort of scale up from there, this book will instead have sentences like point A to B is 1/4 of bust measurement plus 1 inch of ease. So it's a little bit easier of a pattern drafting method. Although a 60s mod dress had been on my vague list of sewing projects for a while, I found myself floundering as I searched for the weird type of stretchy knit wool fabric that a lot of mod dresses are made of. Instead, as the video title suggests, I made the dress out of pillowcases that I bought at the same staging company sale where I bought the wool for my skirt. I started by taking the pillowcase apart and separated it into the two plaid pieces of fabric that make up the body of it and the white band that went around its pillow entrance. I laid out my pattern pieces slightly shortened in the middle since I wanted my dress to have an empire waistline, and I cut the dress into a bodice section and a skirt section since I wanted them to be separated by a strip of white fabric. I cut out a lining and the aforementioned strip of white fabric from a plain cotton. This dress is really easy to put together since it's originally drafted to just have darts for shaping and a front and a back piece. My dress was of course a little bit more complex, but it was still relatively simple. I sewed the darts in both the bodice and the skirt, and then attached it at the shoulder seams and then the underarm seams. I did all of the same construction on the lining pieces. My plan was to put the outer layer and the lining together, wrong sides together, and then not have to finish any seams. I cut a slit in the back to make room for a zipper. Once I put the lining and the outside layer together, I basted along the neckline and the armholes and folded the fabric in on each other with the outside layer slightly above the lining layer and then felled that down instead of sewing the dress together and flipping it inside out. Finally, I attached the zipper and hand sewed it down to the lining to finish the raw edges of the slit on the back of the dress. Like I said, this dress was really easy to put together and resulted in a nice looking hand-finished product. My only complaint is that the skirt is a little bit too tight and rides up when I'm walking. It's just not exactly the type of thing that you want happening when your skirt has so little length to begin with. I used this pattern before on a dress with stretchier fabric, so I hadn't really taken into account the fact that my cotton was not stretchy whatsoever. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with it, and I look forward to wearing it outside as soon as this New England spring weather lets up. Thank you for watching this short and sweet video, and I hope to see you soon.